In this video we will talk about connections. Here we have a unbalanced connector, classic jack, that can be connected to two different shape of jacks. Here we have three kind of different balanced cables connector. This is a XLR with 4 pins, so we have the two different channels separated the one to the other. Here we have a 4.4 connection, and this is a 2.5 connection. These two are most used for DAPs or portable electronics. This is more used for home electronics or high fidelity electronics. The big difference between the balanced connections and the unbalanced connections is the fact that the negative is separated from the two channels in the balanced cables and connectors, and in the unbalanced connectors the negative is the same for the two channels. This changes the response of the signal to the two channels, giving more impact and more fast response in the balanced solution.